You can get a good idea whether a certain keyword phrase has commercial intent or not using the Google AdWords Keyword Planner. Now, CI is not a solid, concrete number you can dig up using some tool. The best you can do is get a rough estimate using how much Google AdWords advertisers are paying for it. To see how to get an estimate of CI, let's use the Google AdWords Keyword Planner and check what advertisers are bidding on for the phrase buy mortgage leads. Now, the tool is telling us that the phrase gets searched 70 times a month is a high competition keyword and the suggested bid is more than 3000 rupees. The competition does not refer to organic results but to the number of Google AdWords advertisers who are bidding on the phrase. So, high competition essentially means there are several advertisers who are bidding for the phrase on AdWords, which does indicate commercial intent. As a general rule, any keyword that Google AdWords Keyword Planner says is low competition has very low CI. Low competition keywords usually have next to no commercial intent and you cannot make money from such keywords. To illustrate this, let's do a search for Facebook photos. As you can see, the phrase gets more than 2000 searches a month, but it is low competition, which means the CI of this phrase is very, very low, and the suggested bid is a little over 40 rupees. Just take a look at the rest of the keywords here. Almost all of them are low competition, which means the CI of this phrase is very, very low. They do not have any commercial intent. Now, let's do another search for World War II. The phrase gets more than 200,000 searches a month, but the competition is low, which means it has no commercial intent. As you can see, there is no correlation between search volume and CI. A keyword with a very high search volume may have no commercial intent, which means absolute traffic numbers do not mean much. A site can get 1 million visitors a month, but if all of the keywords the site is built around have very low CI, the site may not be making money. On the other hand, a site may be getting just about 10,000 visitors a month. But if all of the keywords the site is targeting have a very high commercial intent, the site may be making several hundred or even several $1,000s a month. If a keyword seems to have low CI, it certainly does not mean you should not have a page built around it on your site. For instance, if you have a site about LCD TVs, a keyword like best viewing angle for a 32-inch LCD TV would be good to have on your site because it provides information your site's visitors may find valuable. It certainly has no buyer intent, but it is still good to have a few such pages on your site.